Yes, good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have studied about the regular expression and the rules for converting DFA to regular expression. So, in this class, we'll begin with our first state elimination technique. So, hope all of you remember these rules while simplifying your regular expression after we obtain a regular expression from your DFA. So, let's begin with our first problem. Convert the following following finite automata into its equivalent regular expression. Okay, take down the first one. Q naught upon 0, 1, Q1, Q2 is the final state, 0, 1, 0, 1. Yes, this is the situation. Now we'll write a final solution for this problem. So according to this problem, what we need to do is we need to this is where you need to analyze your DFA very carefully. See, Q0 to Q1, it can have either 0 or 1. Upon 0, Q0 will transit to Q1, and upon 1 also it is going to transit to Q1. Hence, this can be rewritten as convert this particular DFA into regular expression in this particular stage itself. The first step A, convert that particular thing. 0 or 1. Similar way, so Q1 upon either 0 or 1, it's moving on to Q2, and again Q2 on 0 or 1, it is moving on to Q1. Now we have converted the given DFA into its formal regular expression DFA. So next step is to eliminate the state. So this technique is eliminating the state which is not required, right? Okay, we'll try to eliminate the state now. See here, understand. We have a cycle here, right? Try to eliminate a cycle. Try to eliminate a cycle so that you can write this regular expression in that format. So Q2, so Q1 upon 0 or 1 moves on to Q2, and Q2 upon 0 or 1 moves to Q1. So now I'll change this state like this. State B, Q0. So this will be 0 or 1 itself. Next, Q1. So Q1 will become your final state because I am eliminating Q2. So Q1 in the Q2 go become again 0 or 1 big. So ವಾಪಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ Q2 ಇಂದ ನನಗೆ Q1 ಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೇನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 0 or 1. 0 or 1. Right? Getting this point? So this particular thing has a loop because in cycle is alwa, so loop ಇದೆ. ಈ loop ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? So converting your DFA into regular expression ಹೀಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 or 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. So ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So cycle ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Full star. N number of times. 0 or 1, 0 or 1, whole star. So here Here, this is 0 or 1. It can also be 1 or 0, both same. You can simplify. So this is your final regular expression. Given regular expression. Regular expression is 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, whole star. Is whole star. ಇಲ್ಲ 0 or 1 ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ 0 or 1 again 0 or 1 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರಬೇಕು so this 0 or 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ so this is 1 or 0 or 1 try to simplify there is no chance of simplifying there is a it's already simplified in the simplified manner this will be your final regular expression so 0 or 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ so 0 or 1 and whole star ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 or n number of occurrences ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ n number of occurrences happen ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಈ 0 or 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ so q0 ಇಂದ q1 ಗೆ 0 or 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so q1 ಇಂದ q2 ಹೋಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 or 1 ಇದೆ so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 or 1 ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ one more and ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 0 or 1 one more ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು whole star ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0 or 1 0 or 1 whole star clear okay we'll move on to our next problem obtain a regular expression obtain a regular expression using state elimination method using state elimination method so here they have defined a transition table so let us write a transition table there are two alphabets A and B this is Q1 this acts as a start state this is Q2 it acts as a final state and one more Q3 and this is Q1 this is Q2 this is Q3 this is Q2 and this is null and a null so now we will design a DFA for this so Q1 start state this will be Q2 and this will be Q3 and this is acting as a Q2 final state there's a final state yes probably now it's okay yes Q2 as a final state now we will design Q1 on A is moving on to Q1 Q1 on B is moving on to Q2 Q2 on A is moving on to Q3 Q2 on B is moving on to Q2 itself Q3 nothing see here In this DFA, whatever we have designed for getting my solution, we have a state 3 where the input symbols are recognized from state 1 to state 2 and the state 2 to state 3. And here state 3 is not useful. Here state 3 is not useful. Q3 not useful Allah anta karitive ನಾವು, because from Q3 upon any input symbols we are not having any transition, hence it can be directly eliminated. So it can be directly eliminated, right? Since it is not useful because there is no input symbols transition on input symbols from Q3, this can be directly eliminated, and this type of a state we call it as a dead state. We call it as dead state. We'll remove it. Right? So now we'll try to define our regular expression. Here on Q1 it's A star, B star. A star, B star, right? So here this means what? B star. Nam rules prakaram nodona. So B star andre R star anta. So idu ಒಂದು rule ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. So R star is equal to R plus. Alva? According to this rule, what I can define is that, or simplify is that A star B plus. So which rule you are going to apply? R star, which is equivalent to R plus. So your required regular expression is A star B plus. This is your required regular expression. Clear with this? Okay. Now we'll move on to next problem. Convert your DFA to regular expression. So Q0 upon 0 it's moving on to Q1, and from Q1 upon it's moving on to 1. So you got one more state, Q2. So this is 0, 1. So this is Q3. This is upon 1 and this is upon 0, 0 or 1. Right? This is your problem. So we will write our solution for this. According to this problem, what you can analyze using this DFA is that you can first identify your dead state. Where is your dead state? Q0, it's a start state and a final state. It cannot be a dead state. Q1, so from Q1 you are having a transition upon 1 to Q0, so this cannot be a dead state. Q2, so I have transition from Q2 to Q1 upon 0. Q3, I'll see. So upon Q3, upon any input symbol 0 or 1, it stays in the Q3 itself and it's not a final state. Hence, this transition can be eliminated, right? So, redesign DFA will be drawn here. Q0, final state and a start state. Q1, Q2, right? Yes. Other one. Okay, next. This is the first step. In the second step, first I'll identify the loops. So loop is another again Q0 to Q1. So it's going here and coming back here, and it's not final state. So this loop can be eliminated. How you can eliminate your loop? So it's moving like this, right? It's a loop. Upon 0 1 0 1 ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೂಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ Q0 ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this will be 0 1 0 1 only once, and the rest remains the same. So one loop you have easily identified. So that identification you are going to learn. Next step. In the next step, I'll find another loop. Is there any another loop? I'll check with the another loop. Yes, is there? Yes. Again, from Q0 to Q2, you have a loop. So Q0. So this is also loop. 1 1 0 1 0, and this is one more loop 0 1, and this is the final state. So your DFA can accept a regular language either 1 0 or 0 1. It's a given regular expression. Yes. So according to the rules, what you have is R equals to R star. So this is your regular expression andre 1 0 plus 0 1 full stop. So loop iradrinda it can have n number of occurrences, either 0 or it can have n number of occurrences. That is your regular expression. After simplification, this is before simplification, this is after simplification. Clear with this? Artha agtidena ellargu? Fine. Next we will move on to our next problem. Yes. Okay. Obtain the regular expression for the following DFA. So your DFA is A. So this is 0 1 0 comma 1. It's not 0 1. It's 0 comma 1. On A, B, 0 comma 1, C, and D. And this is 0 comma 1. Final step. Right? So first I'll convert this particular DFA to a formal regular expression DFA. So this, it's having a loop 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ 0 or 1. So this is only 1. Next is B, and again this is 0 or 1. This is C, and this is 0 or 1. This is B. This is D. Now we'll try to eliminate the states. So A is the first step. This is second step. So A is the starting state. I'll not try to remove it. 0 or 1, I'll leave it as it is. Next is C. So directly I'll skip B and move on to C by rewriting this particular regular expression. That is 1 and 0 or 1. 1 and 0 or 1 will move on to C directly, and this is 0 plus 1, B. Now again, intermediate state C. I'll try to remove even this C. So how you are going to try to remove a C? Step 3. So starting state A, 0 or 1. So I'll eliminate C. So while eliminating, I should make sure that this remains the same. So 1, 0 or 1. Again, it is 0 or 1. So it's directly moving on to D. Right? A upon 0 or 1 remains in A upon 1. And 0 or 1 and 0 or 1 moves to D, which is a final state. So now I try to convert this particular DFA into a regular expression. So see here, it has a loop here. Loop andre 0 or 1, loop andre 0 or 1 whole star. 0 or 1 whole star. Clear? So 0 or 1 whole star and 1 or 0 or 1 or 0 or 1. Right? So try to simplify using your rules. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು rule match ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ rule match ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So 0 or 1 whole star 1 into 0 or 1 and 0 or 1. So this is the required regular expression. The required regular expression. Clear with this? Yes? Okay. Fine. This is a sort of eliminating your intermediate states or dead states or unwanted states or which is not at all required, mandatory for your conversion. Those states you will be eliminating. Clear with this? Okay. We'll move on to our next problem. So convert the finite automata to regular expression using elimination technique. One more problem. Q1 upon 0, it's moving on to Q2 upon moving on to Q3 on the input symbol 0 and it's returning back to 1. So again this is returning back to 1 and here upon 1 it's looping. Yes, this is the given DFA. Try to analyze now. Now try to analyze. So first identify the loop. Loop nothing goda. See here, loop 0, 1. So now loop rejecting Q1 1 ಇದೆ. So loop ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. So loop ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 1. Now to Q3. Okay, but again see here there is a problem. So Q1 ಇಂದ Q3 ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Q1 ಇಂದ Q3 ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it is 0 0, right? 0 0. This also gets changed here, right? So next Q3 ಇಂದ Q2 1 ಇದೆ. So Q3 to Q1 Q2 1 ಇದೆ. So ಮತ್ತೆ Q2 to Q1 1 ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 1. Getting my point? Yes? So to reach Q3 to remove this, the intermediate state, the connections also should be carefully handled. So Q1 ಇಂದ Q3 ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. So intermediate ಇದೆ. So 0 and 0 you will get a Q3. And Q3 ಇಂದ Q1 ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Q3 ಇಂದ Q2 1 ಇದೆ, Q2 ಇಂದ Q1 ಗೆ 1 ಇದೆ. So 1 1. Yes. Okay. Now try to write as what we call regular expression on Q1. So Q1, either it can have 1 or it can have 0 1. So 1 or 0 1. Q3 final state 0 0 and 1 1. Oh, I forgot to write a loop on this. Here, Q3. So Q3 on 1, 0. Right? So either it can have a 0 or 1 0. 0 or 1 0. So either link again Q2 to Q3 and Q3 to Q2. Intermediate link that link you need to write. Right? So after drawing this, you need to 0 or 1 0. Right? Okay. Now again we'll write our regular expression. So if we have 1 plus 0 1, so 1 plus 0 1, 1 or 0 1 and 0 0 along with loop alwa 0 plus 1 0 whole star will reach to your final state. Right? This is the one option. Star 1, regular 1, R1. So now again R2 ವಾಪಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ R2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ 1 or 0 1 0 0 0 or 1 0 whole star 1 1 1 1 again back 0 0 sorry either 0 0 1 1 is going to 0 0 and 0 plus 1 0 whole star. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡುವೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 0 1 plus 0 1 whole star. Right? So ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಫೈನಲ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ R1 ಯೂನಿಯನ್ R2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ R1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ R2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 1 0 0 0 plus 1 0 whole star 1 1 1 plus 0 1 whole star 0 0 0 plus 1 0 whole star. This will be my regular expression. And this as a loop, right? So any number of times it can have its loop. So finally ನನಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಇದು at last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋಂತ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ನನಗೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ whole star. I'll make this as a whole star. Right? Because again loop ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ Q1 ಇಂದ Q3 ಗೆ. So this I'll make a whole star and at last whole star any number of times it occur ಆಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಇದು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 1 1 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Q1 ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Q1 ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So this is your required regular expression. Okay, fine. So take down one problem that you can solve as an assignment question. Try to solve this. Convert this DFA into a regular expression. A, B, 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 A. Try to solve this problem. Okay, fine. The next technique, that is a regular expression, obtaining a regular expression from a DFA using Clean's theorem, that we'll see in the next class. Thank you.